I have been struggling with consistency on and off for a very long time. And not only that, I've also had the opportunity to really observe others struggling with consistency as well. I feel like the reason why people struggle with consistency usually falls into two different categories. Either they don't have a vision or a goal that motivates them enough to work towards, or they do have the goal and everything, but they have a fear of what they have to let go of in order to obtain that goal. I feel like I more so fall into the second category. So if you feel like you fall into that category too, then maybe this will be of some help to you. This right here that you see me creating is essentially my Courtney Bingo. That's what I call it. It is a unique tracker that I have made to really help me hone in on my goals and becoming the person that I want to be. So I have a very clear vision of what I want for my future and everything. So I started thinking about certain traits and certain actions that I would have to do to really embody that person. And I made a little list of 25 like pretty basic things that I want to make sure that I am implementing on a regular basis. Each day, I will mark off each square as I complete it so that way I can make sure I'm marking off each thing as I go. And I feel like seeing the end result at the end of the day, seeing what's marked off and seeing what's not marked off, and also tracking and trending what is getting marked off more often and what isn't. I feel like that's just going to be so helpful and so beneficial to me and just really helping me to stay on track. So, yeah, I just really want to share this with you guys because I feel like this was a really fun way to stay motivated and just kind of physically do something. Trackers have been something I've been using all my life, and I use them to kind of keep me motivated so I can see how far I've come and also see how far have left to go. And it really makes me proud of myself when I look back on previous trackers and I see all the progress that I've made. I see things crossed off from list. I absolutely love it. So why not try to do a everyday thing similar to that so that way I can really make sure that I'm staying on track. And as I move through this tracker, I'm going to make sure I keep my mind on what I really want out of my life and not on the little things that I am giving up and the things that are hindering my progress. Because what I want is going to be so much more valuable and make me so much more happier than anything that I will ever have to let go and really sacrifice to get my true desires.